I'm Dan O'Day. Radio people can be so myopic. A while ago, in response to my critique of a radio commercial, someone posted a comment on my blog saying, "Why waste time on this topic? Nobody listens to radio commercials anyway." Nobody listens to radio commercials is the symptom. It's not the disease. The disease is most radio commercials aren't worthy of the attention of the radio audience, so most people don't pay attention to most radio advertisements. Someone else responded to my statement that radio personalities should identify themselves frequently on air. They said, "Nobody cares what the DJ's name is in the first place." If you have a radio host, not just a robotic time and temp backcell announcer, that person's job is to establish a human connection with the listener. Individual names are not a natural phenomenon. They're an invention of human beings. Names are a social tool that are useful to establishing and maintaining relationships. When listeners form a bond with a particular radio host, they want to know that person's name. If listeners perceive the jock only as a disembodied voice and not as a person, then probably it doesn't even occur to them to wonder what the person's name is, and that's a symptom of bad programming. It's not a disease. I'm Dan O'Day.
DanO'Day.com. Digital
alignment parts.
synchronize.